Good evening, my dear student. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry by Anand sir. We are discussing the chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. Let us discuss the second video of the topic bonding in carbon, the covalent bond. We discuss all the things about the how the bonding in carbon, the electronic configuration and the covalent bond, the formation of covalent bond. Let us now discuss the formation of covalent bond in few molecules. Lewis suggested that both the combining atoms of hydrogen share their one valence electron and acquire the nearest inner gas helium configuration. Lewis, the chemist Lewis suggests that the bonding, both the combining atom on hydrogen, the two atoms of hydrogen combine, share their one valence electron and acquire the nearest electronic configuration of helium. That you will see. That is, you see the dot structure and you get the combining atom of electron, that HH. The formation of oxygen molecule. Let us understand the formation of oxygen molecule of O2. An atom oxygen has the electronic configuration 2,6 that has 6 valence electrons in order to attain their nearest inert gas configuration 2A. So the oxygen molecule has the 8 valence electron, 2 and 6, that has the 6 valence electrons. In order to attain the nearest inert gas configuration, they require the 8 in 2 8, that is the of nearest of neon. It needs to get 2 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of 8. The two oxygen atoms combine from O2 molecule by sharing 2 electrons each. There is 2 O2 molecule O, and they going to share the O2 molecule by the 2 bonds. So the pairs of electrons are shared between the combining atoms. The covalent bond formed. The formation of covalent bond is double covalent bond, called double covalent bond, or you simply say the double bond, as shown in the short line, that is double bond between the combining of atoms. So right now discuss the next part. The next part of formation of oxygen molecule. Second example, the formation of oxygen molecule. So my dear student, the formation of oxygen molecule and the electron dot structure to prove the covalent bond formation in carbon. Let us understand, because the methane, if we don't discuss about methane, it is not complete the covalent bond or the formation of carbon atom. So let us see what about the formation of carbon covalent bond. We see the formation of oxygen molecule. Let us now see the formation of nitrogen molecule. So my dear student, let us understand the formation of nitrogen molecule. Formation of nitrogen, the second formation, that is the formation of nitrogen molecule. Formation of nitrogen molecule, that is N2. So understand the formation of nitrogen molecule. So let us see. The nitrogen atom has 5 valence electrons. Nitrogen atom has 5 valence electrons. So electrons, and requires 3 more electrons, and requires 3 more electrons, 3 more electrons to complete its octet. Let us see. This is achieved between 2 combining atoms. Achieved between 2 combining atoms. They between 2 combining nitrogen atom. You can say 2 combining nitrogen atoms. Nitrogen atoms by sharing 3 electrons. Electrons each of them, or each between them. Let us understand. So this is the structure of combining atoms of nitrogen atom. As three pairs of electrons are shared between the two combining atoms, the covalent bond form is called a triple covalent bond. Bond or simply a triple bond. So these are the things. Nitrogen atom has 5 electrons. So nitrogen atoms has 5 electrons. Nitrogen atoms has 5 electrons, 5 valence electrons, and require 3 more electrons to complete its octet. So my dear student, this is achieved between two combining atoms of nitrogen, by sharing 3 electrons is between them. Let us see in the diagram, dot structure of diagram of nitrogen. This is understandable easily. And the 3 pairs of electrons are shared between the two combining atoms of nitrogen. That covalent bond is formed. The covalent bond is formed and is called a triple covalent bond, or you can say simply a triple bond. Let us understand the structure of methane. Because the structure of methane, it is not going to complete the because carbon atoms, we are reading the bonding in carbon. So let us understand the formation of methane in covalent bond and the electron dot structure of methane. So my dear student, it is completely understandable because it is not acceptable without the discussion of methane, because methane is the compounds of carbon. So let us understand the formation of methane in a covalent bond and the electron dot structure of methane. Such bonds which are formed by the such bonds which are formed by the sharing of an electron, which are formed by the sharing of an electron between two atoms are known as covalent bonds. Known as covalent bonds. So my dear student, covalently bonded covalently bonded molecules are seen to have a strong bond. Covalently bonded molecules are seen to have strong bonds within the molecule. Strong bonds within the molecule but intermolecular forces are weak. weak. This gives rise to the low melting point. Melting point and boiling point of these compounds. Compounds. So let us understand. Since the electrons are shared between atom and atoms and no charged particles are formed. Formed. Such covalent compounds are generally covalent compounds are generally poor conductor of electricity. So my dear student, let us understand. I'm continue giving you the video because it is promised to my all YouTube subscribers and viewers to give the video before 20th of try to complete the carbonates compound. So after completion of carbonate compounds, I will start the I will start the crash courses. So let us see the electron dot structure of carbon. Let us see the electron dot structure of carbon. This is the whiteboard. So that is just sleep. So, my dear student, let us understand the formation of methane as the electron dot structure of methane, because methane is the main of covalent bonds in carbon compounds. Such bonds which are formed by the sharing of electrons. Such type of bond, as we discussed, which are formed by the sharing of electron between two atoms are known as covalent bonds. So covalently bonded molecules are seen to have strong bonds within the molecules, but intermolecular forces are weak. Intermolecular forces are weak in this type of bonds. So such bonds which are formed by the sharing of an electron, the bonds which are formed by the sharing of electron between two atoms are known as covalent bonds. Covalently bonded molecules are seen to have strong bonds within the molecule, but the intermolecular forces are weak. These give rise to the low melting and boiling points of these compounds. Low melting, these give rise to the low melting point and boiling points. Low melting points and boiling points of these compounds. And since the electron are shared between the atoms and no charged particles are formed, so such covalent bonds are compounds are general poor conductor of electricity. So as you can see the covalent bond formation between the methane, this is the electron dot structure, sharing of electron with the hydrogen and carbon. So these are the things we have discussed already in the carbon and its compounds. This is the last video of the bonding in carbon, the covalent bond. In previous video before also you can see the carbon and its compound second video. In first video we will understand that what is carbon, what is the formation of carbon, what how the carbon comes in our chemistry in the on the way of teaching, and which type of valence bond theory are given by the Berzelius, and after that the suggestions of Wöhler, the formation of urea, and what is the carbon compounds comes in the subject, that is in chemistry, that is the organic chemistry, and what are the uses of carbon compounds in our daily life activities. These are the first video, and after that the second video is bonding in carbon, the covalent bond, what are the covalent bond, how covalent bond are formed. These are the second video, the formation of covalent bond as in the oxygen molecule, in the nitrogen molecule, and the formation of methane. How can you prove that the methane is a covalent bond formation, and what are the things in covalent bond of methane, sharing of electrons and the electron dot structure of methane. So this is all about the today class. And so my dear student, thank you for watching my channel. So my dear student, if you want to support me, then please yeah, just share the my views and ideas to class 10th student, that Anand sir will start the crash courses on Surya Anand Chemistry Wala Anand sir channel as a crash course after 20th. You can just share your thoughts about the class 10th student, that Anand sir will start the crash courses of 400 question of each chapter after completion of carbon and compound, each topic and NCERT question and answer. After that the completion within my target is within 20th or 20th November I will complete the carbon and its compound all topic with the questions answer of NCERT and exercises of NCERT. So my dear student, please subscribe my channel, give more views, like and share to those students who are needful, and for the CBSE aspirant 2026. Thank you for watching my video. I am working hard to give you. This is a late night. Yesterday I just provide you the video. I just record the video and edit on my channels in approx 2 o'clock. The time we will done starting from the 11 o'clock and 11:30, and it's take the times. So I'm continue providing my video, my hard work. So my dear student, please give more views, likes and share to those students who are very needful and aspirant of CBSE 2000s. And this is Surya Anand chemistry teacher. Welcome the channel of Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Thank you. Good night all of you. Best of luck for your preparation of CBSE board 2026 examination. Please join my crash courses classes, because I gives you lots of tools, techniques and something else beyond the topic and the techniques which are used in different subject of CBSE board examination. Thank you for watching. Please and please, these things you can just share on your ideas and views to other students, and kindly don't skip the video and go through the all videos without skipping and learn the chemistry in a different way. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. This is good night from Surya Anand. Thank you all.